There are 3 ways to identify replacement property in a 1031 exchange. Let's review them so you can choose which is right for you. Most people use the 3-property rule. Using this rule, you can identify up to 3 properties at any values and may acquire 1, 2, or all 3. If you want to identify more than 3 properties, you can use the 200% rule. With this rule, you can identify any number of properties as long as the total value is not more than 200% of the value of the property that you're selling. You can still have a valid exchange even if you don't comply with the 3-property rule or the 200% rule. The challenge of the 95% rule is that you must acquire at least 95% of what you've identified, essentially everything. The identification must be in writing and signed, and you must clearly describe the property. This generally means that you identify either the address of the property, its parcel number, or its legal description. You must send the identification notice on or before the 45th day. In most cases, you will send the identification to First American Exchange. We'll provide you a form for this purpose. If you have any questions, please contact us at First American Exchange, and we would be happy to assist you.